everyone. Here I will show you how to remove a domain forwarding rule in Squarespace and add DNS again. Maybe you set up forwarding earlier and now you want to cancel it, or perhaps you're switching to a different destination. Whatever the reason, removing a domain redirect in Squarespace takes just a minute. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Squarespace account. From your home dashboard, click on the website associated with the domain you want to update. On the left-hand side, click Website and scroll down to the Forwarding section. You'll now see a list of any forwarding rules you've added earlier. Step 2. Find the rule you want to remove. You'll see each rule listed with the subdomain, like @ or www, and the destination URL. To remove it, simply click the trash icon or delete button next to that rule. Confirm the deletion when prompted. And that's it. Your domain forwarding rule is now removed. Step 3. Clean up DNS records. Optional. After removing the forwarding rule, you may want to restore your original DNS settings. To do that, go to Settings, Domains, DNS Settings. Re-add any A records or CNAME records that were previously removed when you set up forwarding. For example, to restore Squarespace's default setup, you can add as shown here. They use 4 A records with @ as host and IP as data. So, you are done for now. Changes may take a few minutes to go live, and up to 24 hours to fully propagate across all networks. If you still see the old redirect for a while, try clearing your browser cache or check from a mobile network or incognito tab. That's it. You've now successfully removed domain forwarding in Squarespace. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you're running into any issues. Bye-bye.